Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful button shirts ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So friends, so my first idea is viewers. Button photo frame or another fun ideas. Decorate a plain wooden frame with bright button to create a cheerful border. Your favorite family photo will look even more special. If you enjoy making jewelry, button can become beautiful necklaces, bracelet, earring, brooches. Mix different color and shape to create stylish accessories that no one else has. And the viewers, button are also perfect for decorating greeting cards. Make a balloon, flowers, snowman, or Christmas tree using button. Handmade cards always feel more personal and meaningful. Viewers, so viewers, so viewers, for children rooms, you can create cute animals pictures. Use button to design owl, ladybug, turtle, fishes, or colorful birds. This playful decoration brings happiness and color to any space. And friends, viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and Khuda